Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best Target rugs that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have PAWGIE Soft Kids Room Nursery Rug. Velvet surface and the plush is approximately 3 cm high, very soft to the touch, plus skid-resistant rubber bottom, make your children and baby more comfy and warm when they play on the floor. 3 cm high plush and velvet surface that makes babies and children play comfortably on the floor. Other than that, it comes with 9 beautiful colors to choose from and is designed to brighten up your room to look nice and vibrant. Ordinarily, the carpet measures 5.3 long and 4 feet wide, which is a pretty decent size for your college dorm, living room, bedroom, nursery decor, front of your sofa, and under a coffee table. What you also need to know before purchasing this product is that it is easy to clean and you can wipe clean or hose down to remove dirt. It will bring exceptionally luxurious comfort to your home. Moving on at number 4, we have OJIA Deluxe Soft Faux Floor Rugs. It is a super soft and soothing floor rugs that will add more warmth and elegance to your home. Ideally, these rugs are ideal for laminate, wooden, lino, and tile floors. Besides that, the rug comes with a colorful and bright accent for your bedroom, living room, or children's room. It comes in round and square sizes to choose the one that will fit perfectly in your room. The floor rugs is perfect for any classic and modern end decor in your home. In addition to that, your kids will feel the cozy and soft spot of these rugs and will maintain the warmth during cold days. At number 3, we have Nois Ultra Soft Fluffy Bedroom Rugs. Nois Ultra Soft Area Rugs is another incredible item that highlights its features. The rug measures 80 cm by 160 cm and has a thickness of 4.5 cm. Ideally, this Target rugs has a super soft velvet surface, non-slip plastic spots bottom, and sponge interlayer that will make your feet feel comfortable when stepping on it. Besides that, it's a multi-purpose area rug that is the perfect home decor for study room, living room, nursery room, bedroom, or college dorm and will harmoniously blend with most furniture and floors. Cleaning this area rug is very easy and you just need to wipe clean or hand wash with gentle detergent and low temperature. The rug will not shrink or fade after wash. At number 2, we have Mohawk Home New Wave Rainbow Stripe Area Rug. This area rug looks attractive and awesome as you just see it in the image. It is constructed using nylon materials, making it vibrant and durable. In addition to that, it has a stripe pattern of rainbow colors that will invigorate your place with a punchy, bright, and lively design. This area rug measures 1 foot 8 x 2 10 inches and has a pile height thickness of 0.41 inches. One thing that I love about this area rug is that it is easy to clean with water and detergent. This stain-resistant and durable area rug is applicable in any room at your house and has a latex backing to provide grip, keeping it in place. What's more, it is ideal to use in high-traffic areas at home. And finally at number 1, Safavia Adirondack Collection 3 feet by 5 feet ADR 108F Medallion Area Rug. The next product is the Safavia Adirondack Area Rug. It is crafted using enhanced polypropylene fibers and has refined power-loomed construction to ensure an easy care. The dimension of this rug is 3 feet by 5 feet and has a 0.375-inch pile height that gives it a sleek look. Other than that, this dramatic black and red rug can withstand high traffic areas and also maintains a virtually non-shedding pile. Count on the durability of this rug as it is built to last for a long time. It has a unique oriental pattern of focal diamond, making the Target rugs look attractive and stylish in any transitionally adapted decor. This rug is both stain resistant and antimicrobial and can be hosed down for easy cleaning. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.